Hello everyone, how are you? Good to see you. Welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. So today I want to introduce the new feature of the Forex Tester, which is called the Forex Tester Online. And I'm so excited to be able to introduce this new software because finally we can run the Forex Tester online. And what's good about this one is that you can actually run the Forex Tester now on Mac OS. In classic Forex Tester, you download the software and it was only usable on the Windows. So when I was only having the MacBook, I downloaded the software to be able to run Windows over Mac, and I was using the Forex Tester. But now, this time, you don't have to do this. So in fact, today, I'm recording this video on my MacBook, and you will see exactly how it runs. And it's got some new features, the design's new, layout is new also. So let me show how it looks like. So first, let me share screen. And this is the website of the Forex Tester Online. In this website, it shows lots of features, highlight of the features, new features on this software. And this is how the Forex Tester Online looks like. So as you can see, it looks like very much like a TradingView. So if you have been using the TradingView for quite some time, then I'm sure you can use it intuitively based on your experience with the TradingView. So I have been demonstrating, I have been also backtesting my strategy and also experimenting how the software runs, and it's been running so well. So yeah, I'm so happy that I can now run the Forex Tester over MacBook. So if you scroll down all the way, there's a list of the features, and also there's pricing here. It's Black Friday sale. So the price here is lifetime, $199. And after you watch my video today, you will see this is very reasonable. It's lifetime, $199. And at the same time, they have yearly subscription and also monthly subscription as well. So you can click on the below description on this video. There's a link to access this web page. Also, there's a coupon code you can use under my referral link. You can get 10% on top of the sale on this price. But before I get into those pricing topics, let me first show you how the Forex Tester Online looks like. There are so many features listed, highlighted, but I thought it's better to just show you exactly how it looks like and exactly how I backtest based on this online software. So this is how it starts. So this is the web page or the browser of the Forex Tester Online. So first, you have to create a new project. So I click on here, the new project, and select the symbols. So in terms of the symbols, or in terms of the markets you can backtest, there's actually a lot. Commodities, gas and light, US oil, and major pairs, and minor pairs, cross pairs, and also cryptos, even Bitcoin, Ethereum, you can backtest also, and exotic pair, futures, indices, and also metals, right, including gold, silver. So you can actually backtest so many markets in this online software. So today, let me just demonstrate by USDJPY. So I simply click on here, USDJPY, and project name. Let's select, let's say USDJPY. Okay, and deposit, when I backtest, it's better to be realistic. But today, let me demonstrate by 10,000 US dollars. And trading period, I usually select a random year, random month. So today, let me just go backwards to, let's say 2013, 2012, let's say. And February, I pick random, maybe 8 or something. You can actually select the end date as well. But for me, I don't set the end date because my purpose for backtesting is to complete 100 trades and see performance overall. And time zone, I usually do not really think about the time zone when I backtest. I simply enter exit my trades until 100 times. But if you prefer, you can also select time zone in your own region. And also you can choose the session closing times for New York and Tokyo, Sydney, London, and custom. Plus there is DST, daylight saving time, you can select too. For me, I'm in Dubai and I was in Japan, so DST wasn't really applied to me, so I didn't really use this one. But if you want to be more realistic in backtesting, you can select DST, US, European, or Australian. And then leverage, I usually use up to 25, so I select 25, then press the create the project. So here is a new project, USDJPY, starting from 8th of February 2012. So now I click on this one, left click on it, and then this is how the Forex Tester Online looks like. So as you can see, on the left side is the tools, and on the upper side there's a list, there's a name of the pair, and you can even change bar to lines and candlesticks, time frames, and you can even customize the time frames here, and also indicators, the list of the indicators, and jump to the year or date and time, layout. I usually use 3 windows, so I will select that later on. And here is when you execute the new order here. And also there's scale, and also this is auto saving. So this is good about the Forex Tester Online. In case if your PC goes down, or in case if you're doing this in a laptop and battery is out, then still this one is auto saved. So I think this is good feature about the online version. You can share the ideas with other Forex Tester Online users, and you can change here the settings, all the settings here. So let me run the tester today as just like I do usually, and so that I can also demonstrate not only the trading Forex Tester futures, but also my trade entry exit. Then you will also see the stats in how it looks like overall. So since I have been doing backtesting a lot by using the Forex Tester Online already, I have created some templates. But now let me just show you how you can apply the indicators first. You go to indicators, just like TradingView. You go to trend, and I use Ichimoku in higher time frames, so I select Ichimoku. Then you can change the parameters, settings, and colors, and the line types and width, everything. So since I have the template already, I click on KTS Ichimoku. Well, actually, after you change, if you want to change the numbers, you can do so. You change colors also, and you click on here template and save template. Then you name the template and save it, so that you don't have to change the settings again and again every time. So yeah, before doing that, let me change the background, because I prefer black, and I prefer the candlestick to be white and blue, just like TradingView. I usually set the colors like this way. So let me do that now in this Forex Tester Online. So you can actually right click on the screen, go to chart settings, and here this is where you can change the colors. So background, I change it to black, and also text, I change it to white, so that you see the price levels by changing to white like this way, and also date and time here too. And for the candlestick colors, I prefer to change it to white and blue, So for this layout also, I already create template. So I go to here, template, and this is my template KTS. So simply when I click on this one, then this is my color setting. I prefer not completely black dark background. I prefer a bit grayish kind of, color. So I made the background to be a bit, grayish like this way. So, and as I mentioned before, when I backtest, I use 3 windows. So I go to layout and I select the 3 windows like this way. And so in terms of the background, again, I go to chart settings and go to template. Oh, sorry, before that, auto apply. I'm apply to all and apply. Then go to template and click on KTS so that this setting applies to all the windows this way. So this is how I change my background color and chart layout like this way. Then on top of this, I applied the indicators. So on the left, upper left side, I usually show 4 hours. So I go 4-hour time frame. And in lower left, I put 1 hour, usually 1 hour. And then here in the bigger one, this is when I enter exit my trade. So I use 5-minute time frame, 5 minutes. Okay. All right. So now let me apply the indicators. In higher time frames, I use Ichimoku Kinko Hyo. So I go to indicators, I go to the trend, I go to Ichimoku, and I go to template, and my original, my own setting, color settings and everything, apply on this one. In terms of the displacement of Kumo and the Chikou span, I found one bar is, a bit off. So I changed the Senko span to be 51 and Chikou span to be 25. And click apply. So there is Ichimoku shows like this way. I do the same on 1 hour window as well. Again, go to indicators, go to trend. You can actually click on this star so that you can add to the favorite. So you can go to favorite. Since I already added as favorite, I go to Ichimoku. Then I go to template, apply the KTS Ichimoku template. Then I forgot to, change the displacement before I save in the template. So this time I do it. So I change it, then apply. I got the Ichimoku here too. And then also, hold on. Let me see. This is the history. But for now, yeah, let me just leave it like this way. We can maybe just close all. Yeah, let me just leave it like this way for now. And yeah, in 5-minute time frame, I use 2 Bollinger Bands and stochastic. So let me go here, indicators, go to favorite. I have Bollinger Bands, and go to template, KTS Bollinger Bands. First, apply deviation 1, apply. Then again, I go to indicator, favorite, Bollinger Bands, go to template, apply my template, then the deviation 2. So I simply choose the deviation 2 and apply like this way. So I have 2 bands. And plus stochastic, again, I go to indicators, go to favorite, go to stochastic, and apply the template, then apply. Now I have stochastic as well. So let me minimize the list of the indicators so that I can see the chart more clearly like this way. Okay, so now this chart is now ready for me to analyze and for me to trade like this way. So let me adjust the scale a little bit like this way. Make sure when you backtest, you zoom out a little bit. If you zoom in like this way and look at the markets, then you may be missing the major support resistances in the past. You don't get the bigger picture, so I always prefer to scale like this way so that I can see exactly how the market has been until today. So yeah, scaling is done like this way. So now let me move the bars one by one. You can actually automatically run the chart by pressing here play button like this way. So the bars just automatically moves one by one. But for me, I prefer to move the bars manually one by one. So I press the space key, and so that the bars appear one by one. And in case if you want to go backward, then you simply press the backspace key one by one, then the bar goes backwards. But the good thing about the Forex Tester is that you don't see the future candlestick, and you pick the random market, random year, random time, so you never know what's going to happen in the future next. And so this is the backtesting. This is not the live market, but you can trade, you can practice as if this is the live market. And after number of trades, you get the stats also, so that's very good. So yeah, without the Forex Tester, I wouldn't be able to, be a profitable trader like this way now, and independent, full-time. So yeah, it's been really a great tool for me. So now let me just run the market until I see confirming trending market. 4 hours in the Kumo now, so I think the market becomes very choppy. Senko span B is up here, and Senko span B is kind of long like this way. So the market might be resisted by the Senko span B and retrace, right? If it breaks, I think that's a good sign for the next bullish momentum. But let's see. The market is reaching to the Senko span B as a Senko span B retracement strategy. Yeah, it looks like the market was resisted by the Senko span B, but let's see. It's about to break. Not really. It was resisted by the Senko span B, still floating within the 4-hour Kumo, so the market is very choppy like this. This is when you don't want to enter trade. Okay, so let's see. Now the market is about to break the Kumo bullish. Okay, now it broke. It broke the Kumo in 4-hour time frame. So this is what we call Sanyaku Koten signal. The Senko span, Tenkan Kijun Sen Gold Cross, Chikou span breakout, and the Kumo breakout. Then the market takes off bullish this way. So let me run continuously. Yeah, I think it goes up. Yeah, it does go up. Okay, so if you enter at the time of the Kumo breakout, that was good. But since I missed a chance by explaining like this way, let me just look for another opportunity to buy. Let's see. 1 hour is now flat Kumo, Kijun Sen. 4 hour is still bullish. Let's see. 1 hour is bullish, but 5-minute time frame is going down, so this is not good time to enter trade yet for me. And 4 hour became flat. 1 hour is range as well, Chikou span touching, so this is not the good timing to trade. So I wait for another entry timing to buy. Most likely, the next entry timing will be when the market breaks the resistance, but let's see. Okay, Chikou span touching in 1 hour, so we never know how long the market goes range. Let's see. It may come within the Kumo and goes range sideways as well. So let's see how it goes. Oh yeah, the market goes into Kumo. The market may break the Kumo bearish, and this market may turn bearish trend. Since looks like the range was broken bearish like this way in 1 hour time frame. In terms of the price action, the market may be resisted by the previous support level of the range, then breaks the Kumo and goes bearish. That's one of the scenarios, right? So as you run the tester like this way, before you see the future market, you kind of create the scenarios. Like what's gonna happen next? What may happen next? Logically, you create a scenario, and once that really happens, you enter trade. That's basically the way to be disciplined into your trades. So let's see how it plays out. Okay, looks like the market was resisted by the previous support. Oh, but then, oh yeah, this is very huge bar suddenly appeared, maybe due to news. But before that, there was a Senko span B support. Then it broke the resistance levels very aggressively. So this is overbought. This is where I don't enter trade because the Kumo is very tiny in 1 hour. Okay, so oh yeah, in terms of the news, you can enable it too. I think it was under settings, chart settings, and views. Right, views and news. By clicking here, you can enable the news. And looks like the news, the market was impacted by the news in Japan. Monetary policy statement in Japan was affecting this USJPY to be bought this time. But when I backtest, I don't usually check news. I simply trade based on technical confirmations until 100 trades done. So this time, let me just disable the news. But you can check. Most likely when there's a huge volatility suddenly happens like this way, it's due to news. So anyways, now 1 hour is overbought, still overbought, so I don't enter trade. It's risky to buy. The market may retrace anytime soon. Okay, now it looks nice. Finally, 4 hour Kumo has been bullish and thicker and bigger, which is nice. And 1 hour Kumo is getting bigger and thicker too. And there was a Tenkan-sen support as well on 1 hour time frame. So now let me see. Oops, sorry, I think I went too fast. Let me just go back a little bit. The good thing about the Forex Tester is that you can go back like this way so that you see exactly how the market broke. Sorry, I moved the bars by 1 hour time frame. But now let me enable a 5-minute time frame again and press the bars one by one. So this is the new breakout after range. So this is, I see the new sign of the bullishness. According to KTS, my own strategy, the 4 hours bullish and 1 hour's bullish too. So this is good timing to enter trade. I have multiple confirmations on the 5-minute time frame, including ascending P wave breakout. So the market may retrace back to the previous resistance, but then it may bounce and goes up and continues towards the direction of the 4 hour and 1 hour time frames, right? Based on the multiple time frame analysis. So this is when I enter buy. So let me demonstrate how you can execute the trade. So I go to new order and I usually take 2% to the stop loss and I take 2 positions per trade. So I first click on the stop loss, then risk percentage, I choose 1% risk. So let me just click on like 1% risk per trade, and the lot size. So I have, again, now I have to select the stop loss. So I click on the pen, then stop loss to be, let's see, this is now 207 points. That means 20 pips, 20.7 pips. Logically speaking, I think it's better to place a stop loss down here, below the previous support, which is 31 pips. 312 points means 31.2 pips. So this is how I want to place a stop loss here. So I left click on it. And so yeah, that's how it goes. So in this count, I chose $100,000, and 1% of $100,000 is $100. So that's a risk. $99.6 is the risk per trade, and 0.25 lot size is the risk. I mean the lot size I'm taking for this USJPY market with a stop loss of 31.2 pips. So I place order, then the order is now executed. So again, I take 2 positions, 2 stop losses, So I do exactly the same thing again. I go to new order and click on the stop loss, and for the risk, again, I choose 1%. And for the stop loss, I place it here, stop loss, and place order. Okay, so now it's done. So let me see how it goes. So 4 hours up, 1 hour up. So this is a nice market, bullish market. Okay, so I just click on the bars one by one, and here down here you see the information of my positions. Okay, so now it's ranging. Hopefully the market goes up after this. Okay, so there's a new breakout over here. So it's nice. It's confirming that the market is bullish now. So I moved the stop losses to break even. I put the stop losses slightly above the positions as break even and see if it goes up or not. Okay, market's ranging still, but 4 hours bullish, so still there's a good chance that the market goes up. Oops, oh, sorry, I think I went too fast again, sorry. I enabled 4-hour time frame, sorry. But yeah, looks like the market retraced. Market has retraced and it hit my break even here. So that was my break even trade. Yeah, when I was watching the market by running the 5-minute time frame, I would have moved one of the stop losses here and take profit, and second stop loss maybe here or a bit down, so that I take both profits. But since I run the chart too fast by 4-hour candlesticks, it closed with a break even. But let me do one more trade. Looks like the bullish trend is still continuous. Well, 1 hour is now below the Kijun Sen, but let me see if it goes up again. If it goes bearish, then I think I will just finish my demonstration. But you see how Forex Tester Online works now, right? So it's really a nice tool. Let's see. 4 hours still bullish. Looks like the market has been supported by the Tenkan-sen 4 hour. So still bullish to me. 1 hour is range. Ichimoku span touching too. Let's see. In this timing, I'm not pay attention to 5-minute chart. I'm only pay attention to 4 hour and 1 hour. And now, as I talk, the market broke the resistance, and 4 hour is up, 1 hour is up as well. So here I can execute the trade again. Let me see. And also, but there is 1 hour pin bar. So let me see how it closes. Okay, this is better chance. The market is up and it's closing. 1 hour is closing now, and 4 hours bullish. So now I see multiple confirmations here as well. So let me execute again to buy and see how it goes. Again, click on new order, and I choose stop loss, and I risk 1% risk. And for the stop loss in this trade, this is 11-12 pips, and down here the start of the trend is 34 pips or so. So I take 34 pips of stop loss, and risk per trade is now $99, and I take 34 pips of stop loss. Place order, 0.23 lot size. And I do twice, exactly the same thing. So again, I choose the risk percent to be 1%. I'm still new to Forex Tester Online, so there may be some better ways to do, but let me just demonstrate purpose today. So again, 1% risk to stop loss and place order, and that's it. Okay, so let's see how it goes this time. Okay, it's ranging now. The market broke the resistance in 4 hour. Now it's going up. Retrace a little bit. Let's see if it breaks that resistance. Okay, so this is a nice breakout of the resistance. So I move the stop losses higher to here, the previous low. Okay, and then let's see how it goes. The market came down to my position, but now still ranging, very spiky, choppy. 4 hours still up, looks like. So I just keep the positions as is. Now I see the market is still range basically. No sign of the bullishness yet, but 4 hours nicely up. Let's see if it breaks the resistance. Let me just go a bit quicker. Okay, now this is nice breakout of the resistance finally. So I move the stop losses to break even. Okay, and then let's see how it goes. Now I don't lose. Even if the market comes down, I don't lose. So this is now becoming break even or win game, which everybody wants to play. I see 4-hour Kumo has been nicely thick and bigger. And yeah, there was Tenkan-sen bounce happened in 4 hour as I mentioned before. And 1 hour is also continuously bullish. So that's good. Let's see if it breaks the resistance, renews higher this time. So it saves a lot of time to backtest or practice on your own. If you have to do this in live market, it takes, few hours, few days. But in Forex Tester, you can execute, 20, 30 trades per day to practice based on your own strategy. So that's really good. So let me just run quickly. Okay, looks like it broke the resistance high. So I moved one of the stop losses to, let's see, here. And I fixed 28 pips of profit. And second stop loss to, let's see, I trial in 2 different stop losses. So second stop loss, I move it to here. Sorry, here the swing low. Let me try to move. Oh, it doesn't move. Just hold on. Doesn't move. Okay, if that's the case, I think I can edit here too. So one of the stop losses, I moved it to 79.026, which was the first one, this one. So second one, I edit here and I move the stop loss to here. Okay, that's easier. Modify order, and that's done. Okay, so let's see how far it goes. The market continuously bullish, renews higher now, so I move one of the stop losses to here, simply drag and drop, second stop loss to here and trail, continue trail. Now I fix the first stop loss 48 pips and second stop loss 28 pips and continues. Let's see, 4 hours to bullish, so there's no reason for me to exit yet. Now renewed higher, so I move the first stop loss to, let's see here, the start of the trend. Second stop loss to the swing low. Okay, let's see. The market renews higher and higher, so I move the stop loss to here. Now fixed 66 pips of profit in second stop loss. I think I'll just keep it here for now. But 4 hours nicely bullish. There's a big jump. So I moved the first stop loss to here, the start of the breakout. This says 33 pips profit. Second stop loss, I think I still keep it here as well. Okay, renewed higher again. So I moved the first stop loss to here, which is 91 pips of profit so far. And second stop loss to, now it's time to move the second stop loss also to here. Okay, now it came down and the first stop loss hit. But 4 hours bullish still, so the market may go down, may go up like this way still. So for me, there's no reason to exit yet. But let me just, continue my back testing. If the price hit the stop loss, then that's how I basically take profit too, so that's fine too. The most important is not to lose. It's almost hitting the stop loss, but 4 hours still bullish. Okay, it hit the stop loss and took profit here too. So that was my result in this particular trade. So this was my entry. These were my exits. So this was the body of the fish, and this was tail, and this was head of the fish, right? As my analogy. So then we just continue. This time took the profit, but 4 hours still up. So when the analysis fits my strategy, then I will enter trade again and see if I can make another profits. And by doing this, I take 100 trades and see the performance. So let me show the performance now. You click on the analytics here, and you see numbers on the right side. Days processed was 12 days, and total trades 4 trades. Since I take 2 positions, 2 stop losses, I had 4 trades basically. And so max profit trade was 259, and net profit 256. These are in dollars. And profit factor was 0 because I didn't have any losing trades. If I had the losing trade, then PF will be shown, because this is basically the gross profit divided by the gross loss. So there's no loss yet, so there's no PF shown. Return percent was 4.56% in 2 trades so far. Max drawdown, and also all the numbers you can see here too. So after 100 times of testing, and if my PF is more than 3 into 5, then that's how I put my pairs on my watch list here. That's why my strategy works on these markets. But today, the topic was mainly on the Forex Tester online. So I don't talk about my strategy today, but this is how it runs. I found this is such a nice software. So again, this is the website. You can find the link on the below description, and you can also have a coupon code. I will put the coupon code in the below description as well, but the coupon code is 10K FTO. 10, number 10, 10K FTO. If you put that coupon code when you subscribe, then you get 10% on top of the sale. So please click on the link on the below description, then use the coupon code to make your trade experiences better, to practice to become a non-losing trader, as I always say. So thank you very much for watching the video today. And in the future, I will be running the Forex Tester again and show my entry exits. So please continue learn the strategy so that you can also master not only Ichimoku itself, but also risk management and psychology management aspects of trades. So thank you very much. Until I see you next time, please stay healthy, stay safe, and stay gold. Bye for now. Mata ne. Thank you very much.